This is a teardown of a Listen LT-803 FM transmitter, and it's only going to be a partial teardown because I'm selling these, but I thought I'd show those inside. Now, to remove the rack gears, obviously you're going to need to remove those 4 screws first, and those will just come off. And then to get the top cover off, you need to remove the 2 screws there by the antenna, the little RCA jack screw, and this screw in the corner. The XLR jack, or well, combo jack, that doesn't have to be unscrewed. And once you get all the screws off, this will just slide off like so. It has to clear the release for the XLR combo jack. And this is the inside. I'm not going to be removing that, but that's the transmitter board. I assume it's a module like this because different regions have different frequency ranges that are legal. But you can see power input here goes through some stuff. Got a transistor there that's doing power regulation of some sort. Another transistor there. KM22. Oh wait, no, it's an LM2598T. I was looking at the wrong number. I think a lot of this in here is power regulation. Then you got some of the audio input chips here. LM-833 are those two. And you got another LM-833 there. I believe that's because this in the middle would be a 1/4 inch headphone jack input versus I don't know what that one's doing, but I'm guessing that has to do something with the XLR signaling. Got an adjustment there for the compression ratio. I'm not sure why that's internal. Maybe it's for setup purposes, initial configuration when the factory builds these. Along with looks like wide deviation and narrow deviation. Not sure what that is. Also says hard limiter. And what's this? Master deviation. So maybe these are for frequency tuning? I'm not sure. Oh. Some more chips. I might need to zoom out. I can't get this close enough to the camera. The LM-833 is pretty popular. No, something different. Without looking it up, I'm guessing those LM-833s have something to do with amplification of signals, maybe? I don't know. Board's nicely labeled. Little chip there that's been etched and painted over. Or no, I guess there's some writing on it, but I'm not going to strip that off to see what it is. But we got some more labeling. Power switch and test tone switch. Kind of nice they put all that in the silk screen, which helps you figure out what stuff is if you're doing a repair, even though it also says on the front. But this front board's not removable. Well, no, it is, I think. I'm not going to take that off. Like I say, it looks like this, yeah, it's a pot. This pot's soldered to the front board and the bottom board, but I think that's just an alignment tab that's poking through. But yeah, some ribbon cables for the front board. Otherwise, not really much else to show. There will be a link in the description to the eBay listing for these. So hopefully you found that look inside interesting, and thanks for watching.